Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that timing and consistency are everything. But let's be honest, staring at charts all day can be exhausting. That's why today I'm showing you a game changer. We are diving into PivotCore.net, one of the most streamlined auto trading platforms for Deriv users. In this session, I'm not just talking about the platform, I'm putting it to the test. We're running a 4 over, 5 under strategy. My goal is simple. I'm going to place 10 trades and aim for a solid 50% win rate. Let's see how the bot handles the market volatility while we sit back and watch the logic work. For those of you asking, what is PivotCore? Think of it as your personal trading assistant. It's an automated platform specifically built for Deriv. You don't need to be a coding expert or spend hours setting up complex bots. The interface is clean, the execution is fast, and it's designed to minimize human error. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easier way to enter the market or a pro looking to automate your existing strategies, this site provides the tools to make it happen. Today, we are focusing on the digit over-under contract type, which is a favorite for many because of its high-frequency opportunities. Now, let's look at the screen. I've set the parameters for 4 over and 5 under. This strategy relies on statistical probability in the digit markets. By using PivotCore, the trades are executed the millisecond the conditions are met. Pro tip, notice how I'm managing my stake. In this 10-trade challenge, I'm looking for 5 wins. Automation allows us to stick to the plan without getting emotional. When you trade manually, you might panic after a loss, but the bot stays disciplined. This is exactly why PivotCore is becoming so popular among the Deriv community. It takes the feeling out of the trade and replaces it with pure logic. As we watch these 10 trades play out, look at the response time. There's almost zero lag between the platform and the Deriv server. We've hit our first few wins, and even when a trade doesn't go our way, the system is already looking for the next setup. The beauty of PivotCore is the accessibility. You can access this from your